Hey, 8th graders, ever wondered how something as important as the US Constitution can be changed? It's not as simple as editing a Wikipedia page, and today we're going to break down Article 5, the part that explains it all. The framers, the brilliant minds who wrote the Constitution, made it deliberately difficult to change. But why? Think of it like the rules of a super important game that everyone plays by. You wouldn't want those rules changing every 5 minutes, right? It needs a lot of agreement to make sure the changes are fair, stable, and not just what a few people want at any given moment. This prevents rapid or accidental changes by temporary political groups. The amendment process has two main stages: proposal and ratification. First up, how do we propose an amendment? The most common way, used for all 27 amendments we have today, is when 2/3 of both the House of Representatives and the Senate vote to propose an amendment. That's a lot of agreement. There's another way, a national convention called for by 2/3 of the state legislatures. But guess what? This has never actually happened. Once an amendment is proposed, it's not official until it's ratified or approved by the states. There are two ways to do this. Most amendments, 26 out of 27, have been ratified by 3/4 of the state legislatures. This means 38 states have to say yes. The other way is through special state conventions. This has only been used once for the 21st Amendment, which ended prohibition, because they thought it would better reflect the will of the people. The Constitution also has some key rules and restrictions for this process. Congress can set a time limit for ratification, usually 7 years. If states don't approve it by then, the amendment fails, just like a homework assignment with a deadline. Here's a super important rule that can never be changed. No state, big or small, can ever be deprived of its equal vote in the Senate. Every state always gets 2 senators. So why is this whole process so important and carefully designed? It makes sure that any big changes to our country's founding document are really thought through, debated, and agreed upon by a vast majority of the people in states. This keeps our basic rules strong, stable, and fair for everyone. Thanks for learning about Article 5.